Get a break, get a break, get a break, get a break, get a break as a team.
Good. Inside.
The only thing that I have for you guys.
Ricky Ortiz.
Alright, we'll show you it. Your offense, stay over here. Finish through. That's it. All the way through.
Do it right.
Good. Little roller. Playing in the NFL, have an NFL career. Does that make sense?
H.
Quick.
Oh, Lupe. Six.
Whoa.
Oh,